Namaste children, I hope you all are fine. So today we will start with the next topic, that is biogas plant. Now what is this biogas plant and what is the purpose of producing the biogas? Biogas plant means the production of the biogases. And what are the biogases? Biogases, it is a mixture of gases like CH4, CO2 and H2. And how these gases that are produced? These gases that are produced by the action of anaerobic microorganisms. By the action of anaerobic microorganisms. These anaerobic microorganisms, they feed over cellulosic material. Cellulosic material means that the waste which contain the cellulose. Okay, and then they produce the mixture of these gases. In this manner, the biogas that is produced. And this biogas, when it is produced, then it is used for cooking and the lighting purposes. Now, how this biogas that is produced in the biogas plant? Mainly biogas plants that are used in the rural areas where the cow dung that is produced in large quantity, because the cattle that are used for the various purposes. Now, why this cow dung that is used here? Because cow dung that contain the methanogens. Okay, now what are methanogens? Cow dung, it contains the methanogens. Okay, cow dung, it contains the methanogens, and methanogens, it contains the methanobacterium. It contains methanobacterium. It means methanogen means methanobacterium. And what are methanobacterium? The bacteria which produce the methane gas. So that's why cow dung that is used. And cow dung, it is produced by the cattle. Okay, and cattle means in the rumen part of the cattle, what is rumen here? Rumen, that is a part of the stomach. Okay, the stomach of the cattle means in the rumen part of the cattle, the cellulosic material that is present, as they used to feed over the grass, as well as the anaerobic microorganisms that are also present in the rumen part of the cattle, means the rumen portion of the stomach region of the cattle. Then these anaerobic microorganisms, they help in the breakdown of the cellulose, and in this manner they provide the nutrition to the cattle. So that's why the cow dung, means the excreta, it also contains the anaerobic microorganisms, and we can use the cow dung as the raw material. We can use the cow dung as the raw material for the production of the biogases, means the mixture of gases in the biogas plant. So now let's discuss that how this biogas plant it works. This biogas plant, it consists of a large tank around 10 to 15 feet of tank that is present underground, and from one side the bio wastes as well as the slurry that is added in this tank. Okay, now what are the bio wastes? Bio waste means that the waste which can be degraded by the action of the microorganisms, means the biodegradable. And the slurry the slurry that is left over this bio waste. And this slurry, it consists of dung and water, means the cow dung and water, in the ratio of 1:1. In the ratio of 1:1. So why this cow dung that is taken? Because it contains the anaerobic microorganisms and for the breakdown of the organic matter. So what happened that when the breakdown will be there of the organic matter, then the gas that will be collected in this gas holder which is present just over the slurry. Okay, so as the gas that will be collected in this gas holder, then it will rise. The gas holder, the tank, it will get rise, and the gas that is collected in this, it will be through the pipelines, means through the pipes, it will be transferred to the nearby houses. So in this manner, this biogas collected, it can be used for the lighting as well as the cooking purposes. And here the used up slurry, means the used up sludge that is collected in this region, okay, in this tank, and the new, means the new dung or water, or you can say the new slurry or bio waste that can be added from this side. So in this manner the cycle goes on and the production of the biogas, it occurs. So what is the biogas here? Biogas, it means a mixture of gases like methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, which are produced by the action of the microorganisms. And what kind of microorganisms that are used in this process? That are anaerobic microorganisms. Now generally a question comes that if the biogas that is produced in the sewage treatment plant also, yes, the biogas, it is produced, means the mixture of gases like methane, CO2 and H2, it is also produced in the sewage treatment plant. How? That if you remember that in the previous lecture we discussed in the activated sludge, okay, from the activated sludge, when it will be transferred to the anaerobic sludge digester, and in the anaerobic sludge digester what are present? Anaerobic microorganisms that are present, which feed upon the bacteria and fungi, and when they feed over the bacteria and fungi, then they produce the biogas. Okay, and those microorganisms which are used in the anaerobic sludge digester, they can also used here in the, they can be used in the biogas plant also. Now the technology of biogas that is developed due to the efforts of Indian Agricultural Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industries Commission.